Let's all go on a field trip. Follow Freddie, Cory's best bud, as he shows you around the Firehouse. From the original animated series, Go Go Cory Carson, Freddie's Firehouse playset is action-packed and comes with mini Freddie and Chrissy characters and a spiral ramp.
Whoa! How about I show you kids around?
Hear about all the bells and whistles of the Firehouse from Freddie's mom, Carolyn Firetruck. Uh-oh, time for a fire drill. Pretend there's an emergency and slide Freddie and Chrissy down the spiral ramp to help out.
Fantastic Freddie to the rescue!
The PlayZone at the bottom of the ramp responds to Freddie and all other mini characters from the show, sold separately. SmartPoint characters can get in on the fun too, with a SmartPoint location at the Firehouse store. Other characters sold separately.
Hurry up! This way!
Putting out fires while still having fun, all in a day's work at Freddie's Firehouse playset from VTech.